Now, there are many different ways you could create this part. One of the key things to being a good designer is before you just race off and start drawing is to stop, think, and reflect. What's the best approach here? Now we could just start drawing lines and trimming, rectangles, all sorts of ways we could do this. But let's look at the easiest way to draw this. So I'm going to come up here to the rectangle by center and the lock, and then I'm going to come over here to sketch view, and again I'm on rectangle by center and I want a lock. We're putting all the practices that we've learnt thus far. So I'm right at the center here, and I'll just come out and fill that up with a rectangle. Then I'm going to come out and do another rectangle. So I don't want to do individual lines. So I'll come out and just do a rectangle about that size. I'll do another rectangle, and again, they're all at the center right here. Remember to put everything centered. I'll come out and I make sure this connects and touching. So all I've done here is drawn 3 rectangles. I'm going to come back and do one more, right from the center, and come out and put that barrier around there. And you know what? That's basically it. So if I zoom in on here and I want to create the 3D model, come over to the sketch command and I'm going to box pick. Now again, I could spend time trimming and doing lots of other operations, but if I just box pick this whole thing, again I need to spin it around so I can push it out. But before I do that, I don't want these windows here. So if I hold down the control key, I can deselect, deselect, deselect. Again, all I'm doing is holding down the control key. And then all I need to do is push that out to some small distance, put in an exact number if I like. So there it is. If I like, I could come over and turn off my sketches. You can see those outlines. I don't want to see those anymore. Then I could come up to view and improve the look of that. And I'll also do part painter. Let's like this yellow feature. And I see a dimension down there. Let's turn off my PMI also. So there's the finished part.